Now, when you first want to start using ChatGPT, you got to create an account. So you're going to go to openai.com/ChatGPT. Do not make the mistake of going to chatgpt.com. This is not the ChatGPT that you want to be using. This site is using the API key from OpenAI to power their own version of a chat bot, if you will. So what we want to do is you want to come back. You want to make sure that you're at openai.com/ChatGPT, and then you click on the sign up. Then when you get to this page, you want to go ahead and hopefully you have a Gmail account. You'll click continue with Google. You're going to choose the email address that you want to continue with. After that, they're going to ask you to enter a phone number. When you enter that phone number, they're going to then send you a code. You're going to enter the code right here. Now, when you first load up ChatGPT, for you it's not going to look like this because I have this extension installed here. Now, when you come to the store, you're going to want to type in AIPRM and you're going to want to install this extension. Mine says remove because it's already installed. You'd want to go ahead and click install. Once you hit install, then your ChatGPT will look like this. You'll have this extension running. Now, we're not going to get into all of this today. I just wanted to show you how to start setting up your ChatGPT account. You want to create the account, follow the instructions I gave you. We're not going to get into how to use this. That'll be in the next tip video. But I just wanted you to get your account created for those of you that don't know what ChatGPT is or how to use it. It's a very powerful tool. Follow the steps that I've laid out for you. Go ahead, after you create your account, go to the Google Chrome store and install this extension, AIPRM for ChatGPT. So that way your ChatGPT will have all this extras installed on it. And basically what this is, if you wanted to write, say, a book, you can come right here, type book, and you're going to have all these prompts that are already created for you to write a book. Say you wanted to type in or create a YouTube video. So we'll type in YouTube video. And you'll see right here, you have YouTube Video Script Pro, YouTube Script Creator, YouTube Script to Article Converter. And so you can use all these tools, all these basically prompts are like little tools that you can use to create content, transcribe content from videos and things of that nature. But we'll get into this more heavily in the next video tip. All right, hope that helps you guys with regards to creating the account so you can start to learn it and then add this extension to put it on steroids. We'll talk soon.